Okay, so we're looking at another harder set of Naplan questions with less than half the kids getting it right. So again, read the question, try to work out a strategy, and when you're ready, come back and I'll show you how I would have done it. Okay, so we're selling t-shirts at $15. The cost of the t-shirt is $6, so therefore the profit for every shirt is $9. So we're making $9 profit per shirt. But the rent is $540, so we've got to divide that by 9, and that gives us 60. So if we sell 60 t-shirts, they'll just break even. So how many t-shirts must she sell per month to equal her monthly costs? We're making $9. We don't have to worry about, we've already taken into account the cost, so the cost is 6. We're making a profit of $9, so we need to sell 60 t-shirts, and that will give us our monthly costs. Okay, next question. Okay, so looking at again, about a third of the questions got it right. This is a perspective question, so some students will really find this hard. The clue I've got is from the north. So looking from the north, so this is north down the bottom. Okay, looking from the north. And we have to go east, so you have to work out which way is east. Okay, when you're ready, come back live. Okay, so if this direction is the north, then that direction must be the east. Okay, because we're just reversing. Okay, because normally east would be on this side and north would be on top, but we've reversed it. So we're looking at that shape as the one from the east. Okay, that's a shocker. That's the worst answer. The other two are acceptable. It wouldn't be unheard of to pick that one, perhaps, because that would be, that's from the east. That's putting the thing on the east, but I think it's that one there. Okay, moving across to the next question. Again, we're looking at 1/3 question. A square field has an area of 4,000. We can work out, we've got no calculator, so this one's a little bit harder, but just draw out the square and see if you can plug it in and see how you go. Okay, so you've got a square. So for instance, we can just use, we just try this answer here for instance. So if I put 40 on each side, and we've got no calculator, so we have to do it the hard way. So 4 4s are 16, and add 2 zeros. So that means that that answer is definitely out because it's too small. Okay, so then look at the next one. So 60 times 60, and we're trying to get 4,000. So 6 6s are 36 and 2 zeros. So that's in the ballpark. So it's going to be that one there. Okay. Okay, moving across to the next question. Okay, now we're getting right down to only got 1/5 that the students got it right. We're looking for the grey area, and the diagram has a right angle there, a right angle there. Okay, so you need to know what the area of a triangle is, and you should be able to get this okay. Okay, so area of a triangle is base times height over 2. So the big one, area, the big shape around the outside is base is 10, height is 10 over 2. And we've got no calculator, so we have to do it the hard way. So the area is 50, the small inside, the area is 4 by 4 over 2, 16 over 2 equals 8. So that means that the shaded shape must be the difference between, and that would be 42. Okay, so let's have a look at the next question. Okay, so this is the last question in the block. We're looking at about 1/5 of the students got it right. So when you're ready, have a go, and come back when you're ready. Okay, so 35% is 35 over 100, and that cancels down to 7 over 20. So the smallest number of eggs that could be collected is 20 eggs. We can't collect less than 20 because if we say, for instance, we collected 10, then that would have to be 3.5, and you can't have 3.5 eggs. So it had to be 7 eggs that were brown out of 20. So I think that's the last question on the set, and it is. So I hope you enjoyed it. Come back again.